Good afternoon, everyone. This is Chrissy with Ahn Co. It's Friday, February 9th. I'm going to go over the markets with you for the day and week. So what happened today was you got a washout really across the board, which was pretty disappointing considering the fact that we wiped out a good chunk of gains from earlier in the week. It's that old saying that you go up on an escalator, down on an elevator. That is what we saw today. Corn market down 3 3/4, giving it only a half-cent close on the positive side overall in the week. So you did see a close on the positive side, but nonetheless only half a cent, which is really disappointing. Biggest higher close you saw on the week was bean market being up 4 1/4 here overall in the week, down 4 3/4 here today. And then the wheat market's anywhere from 7 to 9 cents lower today, giving it about a steady to a couple cent higher close overall in the week. So really, when you look at how the market's traded overall, you didn't really get anywhere. Export sales remain very, very strong. We got technical friendly closes here into the corn market. There remains some concerns as far as weather for winter wheat country and then also soybeans out of Argentina. But the question is, are these problems big enough to deal with the fact that we have very large carryouts right now? And that's what the market's trying to get a grip on. Those friendly technical closes really came in the corn market, but if we can't see you extend wheat and beans off these weather stories, it's going to be a struggle to see corn really separate itself from the rest of the markets. Over the meat markets, some pressure there as well. Live cattle front month up, but deferred's a little bit lower, down 32.5 on the week. Feeders, big washout the last couple days, down $1 today, down over $4.50 overall in the week. Then lean hogs down 22.5 cents both today and overall in the week, but that's off your front contract. Deferred saw quite a bit more selling. Cash trade was very light when it came to cattle markets this week, 126 to 200 for addressed. And really what that was is just you didn't really get enough to sway the market. So overall the trade was light. Cash hogs remain steady, not really moving all that much. It's more of a technical sell-off that you're seeing in those deferred contracts. And then the biggest factor probably was the outside market. So for a couple weeks there, really friendly outside markets. They turned extremely negative here this week. Crude market down almost $6. US dollar up $1.30. Dow market down over 1,500 points. And that put a lot of pressure on these other markets like your commodities as far as grains and meats go. And meats really struggle when you see that stock market take a plunge as well. And that's what we'll be watching to see if this continues trend. Usually you see these markets pull from the outside markets and invest somewhere else, but really it just seems like a general washout that you're seeing right now. So I have to see what managed money does and go from there. I do have to close with a disclaimer. Trading in futures and options involves risk loss, may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.